touch it smallest one. The smallest one, look how big him get, you know. Them now stay one place, you know. Once you put them down, them now stay one place. So all 5 of them same way.
Just start walking.
So you see them start move around now. Give them about the next week or 2. Then maybe full out with the feathering. You see me? Very small and
See, man, look around. I'm explore.
come. The thing what amazes me, the small one, and they look so fine. I know. Look how big. I get you now. And the more they move around, the more energy them use up right now. The amount of doodle them do from them a walk around. That one is still the one of my favorite.
Why?
Well, that one I kinda him know me more than the rest of them.
You look like you are the oldest one.
No more than things just.
Which one are the oldest?
Maybe him are the oldest though, but him tend to know more than the other one them.
Because you want to move up more than the rest. You don't walk more than them though.
And every time I come for like feed them once them hear my voice, him are the first one always start. That's why I mark him. I mark him so that I can know him good, because if I look on him toe, I did mark him with a Q-Tex. I will show you. See the red?
Nail polish.
Red on him nails. So I make sure so I mark him so that I know him more. Alright, come on. Move on now, so I'll just put them back in them pan. The last one for go in, man. And him also him can hold him balance more than the rest.
Because he's the eldest.
I feel so still.
Baby now, the fine one is the youngest. All she just want is to just itch up on somebody to keep warm, because she not want enough for them. If it's a she.
I figure say it's a woman though. I figure say it's a woman.
She look like she want to come back out.
Exercise, she exercise her woman. Why I really put them in a something like so deep? For them keep warmer, yeah. Now once it deep, the cold air will more for pass over than for go down.
The last time we visited them, they pink.
And now so
them I get green. Alright. So guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned as we keep you posted on the growth of these baby parrots.